Alright you guys, here's how I can make this quick and easy heat map effect here in After Effects. Step 1, let's make a new comp, rename it heat map. I'm gonna go with this preset, click OK. And now let's go and drag and drop a video into the timeline. I'm gonna press the letter S and scale it down by 50. And I'm gonna right click here, go to new, and let's go and select the adjustment layer. I'm also gonna rename it, right click, rename. And from here, we're gonna go to the effects and presets. First, we're gonna need to blur this out. So I'm gonna go and search for the fastbox blur. Now let's go and drag the fastbox blur on the heat map layer. And here I'm gonna increase the blur radius. So heat map effects are blurred out, and we're gonna do the same thing. And I'm gonna go with like 16. And here we got the iteration, and I'm gonna decrease it to 2. I'm also gonna go to the effects and presets, search for noise. We're gonna make it noisy, drag the noise under the fastbox blur, and I'm gonna increase it. I'm gonna try it out with 18. All right, so from here comes the magic part. We're gonna go to the effects and presets and search Colorama. I'm gonna drag and drop it under the noise, and here we got the heat map. Now, of course, it's not finished. We're gonna need to customize it a little bit better. So let's go to the output cycle, and here you can see the colors. So we're gonna need a couple of colors here, and I'm gonna remain with these, and I'm gonna go to the pink. I'm gonna double click on, and I'm gonna make it black, click OK. And I also gonna need a white. So I'm gonna go to the cyan. I won't need the cyan, so I'm gonna double click on it, and I'm gonna make it white, click OK. And we got the green. I also gonna make the green a little bit more darker and make it more dirtier. There you go, click OK. So the first thing what we're gonna need to do is make the background black. So here we got the black color, and I'm gonna start switching it and dragging it. And I'm gonna drag also the yellow, and I'm gonna try to darken the whole background. So as you can see, if I bring the red here, it's gonna make it even more darker. So I'm thinking to double the black handle. Let's go and press and hold Control and drag the black handle, and check this out. This is going to make a duplicate. And check this out, now we got the background black. And I'm gonna go to the blue. I'm gonna bring the blue here. I'm also gonna recolor it a little bit. There you go. And let's go and bring the yellow. I'm gonna bring the green next to the blue. And I'm gonna bring the white here. I'm gonna select the red, bring it next to the yellow. And here we can customize it as best as we can. And with the white, we also can introduce some nice reflections in there. So if you hit play, it is going to look something like this, which is really nice. And that's how I make heat map effect here in After Effects. Thanks for watching.